Happy New Year's, everybody. Man, that is insane. Yeah!
You got angle kit on yours?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. That's sick.
Yeah. I think it might have helped. I think a setup course might have helped a little bit.
Oh yeah, dude, I love Aceto.
I My heart is pumping, dude. I'm out of breath right now.
Yeah, we'll probably do this and maybe head out soon. It's so much fun though.
So much fun. I smell something burning.
This.
Oh, my tires is kind of, they're getting there. No, she'll make it home, but I miss driving my car, dude. I think we're gonna kill it next year.
Alright, I blew a tire. Huh? I blew a tire.
You blew a tire?
Yeah, that's good. That's fun.
What?
Yeah, that's good.
That's not good.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yo, do you want to do drifts around me? You want to do drifts around me? Like
I don't. No. I'm not good enough for that.
That's all good. Oh, damn, your bumper's coming off, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just shove it back on. I got a back. Sam's making me a bash guard, so I probably won't be running a bumper anymore.
Yeah. All right. I guess you want to head back.
Not really.
All right. If you want to keep going, I'll film you.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
Of course, helped a little bit.
Yeah. You gotta check. I think they're done for, dude.
Done?
I think they're done
really?
for.
Oh yeah, you got a little bit left in them.
That's awesome.
Because this is rough. Like whenever you go from that to that,
I know.
It's fucking really rough, dude.
Well, there's also another spot that I was gonna go to next, but I already fucking blew my tires.
Your tires are done?
Yeah, like it's making noises as I drive.
Oh yeah, these are done.
Yeah.
These are done. It's a lot of fun though.
Hell yeah, dude. You look good out there.
I'm getting way outside, which doesn't help our tire pressure at all.
Oh yeah, look at my back window first before you even look in the car.
Dude, I love the bash part.
Yeah, thanks, man.
You got blue lights everywhere, bro.
But yeah, I only run bumpers like daily driving because can't you get pulled over for no bumper?
No.
Oh, you can?
No. But for me, it'd be stupid because until I get this thing legal. I'm gonna get it legal in March.
Yeah. Yeah, your car's allowed to sell, dude.
It's not that bad.
Dude, my tires are toast. Hooey. Man, I'm gonna have to take these off right now, dude. Happy New Year's, everybody. Man, that is insane. Already shredding tires on New Year's. Let's do it. Yeah, this is definitely what I heard flapping around was this piece right here, and this piece like fell off. This piece right here is flapping around. That is awesome.